Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you a quick tip on how to find the new secret fish. And the new secret fish and fish is the Pirate Megalodon. The secret fish was just added and it looks like this. This one. It's orange like this. And I think it's a super rare secret. So don't expect to get it easily, but I will show you how to push your chains. First, just head straight to the Pirate Cove, and then you don't need to go, and then just fish around this area, this island, or this cove. Or you can also get this secret on the Pirate Treasure Room. This one. And then make sure you are using your best rod and base speed to increase your luck, and you can also maybe use luck potions like this, or mutations potion, or maybe you can also use any totems that you have. And because the higher your luck, the better your chance to pull the secret fish. And okay, that's it. Just keep fishing and stay patient, and good luck hunting for the pirate megalodon. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.